YouTube, what is up? This is your boy Ben from Benjamin's TechWeb back here with another video, and in this video it's going to be a rather quick one because it doesn't cover as much. And I figured that we're going to go to software today because we've been doing it. I've wrapped up D630 days. You can check out that playlist. Figure that was a decent name, right? But it's not that good of a name. Anyway, I'm going to go check out that playlist, and I was trying to do a Chromebook video, but I think I'll postpone that, and that's only because I was getting pretty frustrated because I was getting screwed over. But anyway, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up VirtualBox. I haven't done a video like this before, at least I don't think. Well, if it is, it's going to be much better quality. And create a virtual machine. So without further ado, let's get over to my computer and yeah, start virtualizing. Yeah. Okay, so here we are at my computer, and what we're gonna do here is go to virtualbox.org. So that is www.virtualbox.org, a link in the description. Now, to download it, you can just click on the big download VirtualBox or the small icon, the big logo or the small icon on the side. I just clicked that, and now what you're gonna have to choose for what operating system you're running. I'm using Windows 10, so I'm going to click Windows Host, and it'll start downloading the exe, but I already have it downloaded. So once you did that and set it up, you'll go and open the VirtualBox Manager. And the first thing you'll have to do is create a new machine. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to save it. You can save it wherever you want. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. Oh, there's an empty folder. We'll save it there. Select folder, and then we're gonna do let's do Windows XP because that's an ISO I have in hand. So with that, we have 64-bit one. Let me just double check. We do Windows XP 64-bit, and then once you've selected that, you're gonna go, and now you have to give memory size. We'll go, I don't know, about, that's fun. Right, yeah, and then go next and create a virtual hard disk. Now I want to do a virtual box disk image. Click next, and then do dynamically allocated, and 10 gigs is good. Give it that a minute, and now you're in here. So now what you want to do, click settings, and make sure that there's no invalid things on the bottom there. And now you want to go to storage, and you're going to need to put in your ISO. So click next to the disk where it says empty. Click on the disk, and click choose a disk file. And then from there, you're going to want to find wherever you have it saved. So I'm going to go to Windows XP ISO. Let's see, it should load. Did I save it? Yeah. Okay, there it is. Now, once you've loaded your ISO, just click OK. And now go up top and click Start. What was I doing this whole time? Why didn't I click Start? Now click Start. And it's starting. Now you want to select the startup disk. You want to select your ISO. So I have mine right there, and I'm going to click Start. And we'll make it full screen just to make it easier. Now Windows Setup, it's going to bring me to that Windows XP setup. I'm going to click Capture, that's fine, my device input. Now set up the starting Windows. Now it's going to take me through the whole Windows XP setup. And license terms, I agree. Install it there, and then I'll do all that and come back when this is done. Okay, so the setup is finished. Now you can see it's applying computer settings. Welcome. Give it a second, and there we go. We're on the Windows XP desktop. So we've successfully set up our virtual machine. Now keep in mind, if you did like Windows 7, Ubuntu Mate, the setup's going to be different because it's a different operating system. Here we have start. Search bar here. No, it's going to tell us some can't be displayed. But what I want to do, I want to change the theme of this, and that's because I prefer the oh yeah, and you can change the view mode too. Switch, so we can switch there to like the scaled mode. And what happens if we put it in full scale? That looks bad. Okay, so we're not going to do that idea because that's not necessarily a smart idea. So, and then if we want to go back to the regular, we just do host C, which is the right control, and then hold down the right control and then click C, and takes us back here. Or you can go full screen mode, and we have that. You know, switch. Oh wait, no, I don't want to do that. Oh yeah, there we go. So now properties, here we go, and then Windows Classic. Let's apply that. That's better. It gives us that weird desktop thing too. So let's go with blue desktop, which I'm not fond of. Let's I think it's Windows XP still on. Yeah, that one. Let's apply it. Now screensavers, fine, appearance, fine, and settings, fine, okay. Here we go. Now let's shut this down and we click turn off. And now we can start it up saying that we've done it. So all we have to do now is you just go in close VirtualBox Manager. So just go to VirtualBox when you want to start your virtual machine, click Windows XP or whatever one you've done, and click Start. Now it's going to open local VM VirtualBox, and it says press any key to boot from CD. Do not press it. You have to go through the setup again. I've learned that the hard way the first time I did this, but now I'll just do it Windows XP x64 edition, and it's going to log me right in here. Windows is starting up. Welcome, and we're logged back into the desktop. So that's pretty cool. So let's go to control panel. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. This has been Ben from Benjamin's TechWeb, signing off.